This magnificent clock down here was dedicated to the Provost of Stirling at one time, the Christie clock. But sad to say, due to corporate vandalism, it is no longer there. It was said it was becoming dangerous. It's the way this clock was dismantled. They used a great big excavator, and there's no hope of getting anything off the clock in one piece with a machine like that. This is typical of the Stirling Council. They just go ahead and do it, no consultation. It's shocking what's happened here. The way this clock was taken down, it seems that there's no intention of fixing this clock. I think they just want it out of the way. I hope the people of Stirling let the council know what they think about this. This is not the first time that the council have did stupid things, and it's time the planners and that were brought to book. I'm sure there would have been an engineering solution to this problem if it was needing repaired. You don't just knock it down. Maybe somebody took exception to the Masonic inscriptions on the clock. Maybe that's why it was knocked down and vandalised. As you can see, the base of the clock is still there. And it'd be interesting to know what they plan to do with that. Because clearly they're not going to put the clock back. Maybe they'll build a block of flats for the students. Or put 2-3 cycle lanes in there. That's what this council seems to want to do. Yeah, you'd get a block of flats in there, no bother. The next thing it'll be, you'll not be allowed to call the black boy the black boy. You'll have to call it the Allanpark Fountain or some such politically correct nonsense like that.